Do you feel your body getting stiffer, your legs less steady, or your movements slower than before? This gentle Tai Chi routine is designed to help you move more easily. Loosen your shoulders, hips, knees, and back, and bring your body into a calm, relaxed state. No fast movements, no pressure. Just slow, flowing exercises to help you feel lighter, steadier, and more comfortable in your own body. Two, one. Rest. Exercise 2. Side to side arm sweep. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently activates the shoulders, arms, waist, hips, thighs, and knees as you shift your weight from side to side. The soft turning motion improves upper body mobility, balance, and coordination, while helping the shoulders and back feel more open and relaxed. Two, one. Rest. Exercise 3. Diagonal reach and gather arms. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently stretches the shoulders, arms, side waist, hips, inner thighs, and calves as you reach upward and step to the side. The diagonal reach opens the chest and improves body mobility, while the soft gathering motion helps calm the breath and release tension. Two, one. Rest. Exercise 4. Lift the sky and open the chest. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently activates the shoulders, arms, chest, upper back, hips, thighs, and calves as you raise both hands overhead and lower them with control. The upward reach helps improve shoulder mobility and posture, while the slow rhythm relaxes the body, steadies the breath, and creates a comfortable, open feeling. Two, one. Rest. Exercise 5. Side step, body turn, and arm opening. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently works the shoulders, arms, chest, waist, hips, thighs, knees, and ankles as you step to the side, turn your body, and open both arms. The side step improves mobility and balance, while the body turn helps loosen the waist and back, creating a relaxed and comfortable feeling. 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 6. Front and back leg lift. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently works the hips, thighs, hamstrings, glutes, calves, ankles, and core as you lift one leg forward and extend it back with control. It improves lower body mobility, balance, and hip flexibility, while the slow rhythm helps the body feel steady, relaxed, and comfortable. Two, 1. Rest. Exercise 7. Knee lift with upward palm reach. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement activates the shoulders, arms, core, hips, thighs, knees, and ankles as you lift one knee while reaching one hand upward. It improves balance, hip mobility, and body coordination, while the slow Tai Chi rhythm helps steady the breath and relax the whole body. Two, 1. Rest. Exercise 8. Forward step, overhead reach, and heel set. 3, 2, 1. Go. Step one foot forward as both arms rise smoothly overhead. Then lower the arms back as your weight shifts onto the bent back leg and the front heel touches the floor. This movement works the shoulders, arms, back, hips, thighs, knees, calves, and ankles, helping improve mobility, balance, leg control, and a calm, relaxed body rhythm. Two, 1. Rest. Exercise 9. Wide stance squat and torso twist. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement works the waist, core, upper back, hips, thighs, and knees as you lower into a wide squat and rotate the body from side to side. It helps improve spinal mobility, strengthen the legs, and loosen tightness through the waist and back, leaving the body feeling more relaxed and comfortable. Two, 1. Rest. Exercise 10. Standing hamstring curl with arm sweep. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement works the shoulders, arms, upper back, hips, thighs, hamstrings, and knees as you lift one heel toward the glutes and sweep the arms in opposite directions. It helps improve balance, leg mobility, and body coordination, while the flowing motion gently opens the chest and leaves the body feeling relaxed. 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 11. Overhead reach with side lunge. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement works the shoulders, arms, waist, hips, thighs, and knees as you reach both hands overhead and shift into a side lunge. It helps improve lower body mobility, open the sides of the body, and strengthen balance, while the slow, flowing rhythm leaves you feeling relaxed and comfortable. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 12. Forward lift and backward arm release. 3, 2, 1. Go. This movement gently works the shoulders, arms, chest, upper back, and spine as you raise both hands forward, then lower them back behind the body. It helps open the chest, loosen shoulder stiffness, improve upper body mobility, and create a calm, relaxed feeling through the breath. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Take a slow breath and notice how your body feels now. Lighter, warmer, and more open. Practice this gentle Tai Chi routine regularly to improve mobility, balance, and relaxation day by day. Move slowly, listen to your body, and let each movement bring you back to calm. See you in the next practice.